Good day everyone, I'm Cristiano Bungat Jr. and here's my partner.
Hi, I'm Elodie Vivo Sotoros.
We are both studying at Amado Public College, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education. Our topic for today is all about question tag. First, we should know what is a question tag. Question tag is a small question added to the end of the statement. It is generally used when we want the listener to confirm what we have said. Now, let me give you the structure of a question tag before we go to the room for you to clearly understand our discussion. First, statement and question tag. Negative, affirmative statement, the question tag is negative. If negative statement, the question tag is positive. Second is the be form of verb. Be form of verbs, am, is, are, was, were. Do form of verbs, do, does, did. Have form of verbs, has, have, had. Third is, use apostrophe nt in a question tag, which means not. Example, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, am not, aren't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't. Now, let's talk about the rules in question tag. First, in question tag, personal pronoun he, she, it, and they has to come as subject. Proper noun should not be used in question tag. Example, Mr. Bibal is a nice man, isn't he? The books are on the table, aren't they? The question tag he denotes the subject using personal pronoun. Mr. Bibal is the subject and the personal pronoun is he. The second example is books and the personal pronoun is they. Singular subject, personal pronoun is to be used in a question tag. The second example is plural form, then the question tag is in plural form also. Second rule is only auxiliaries are to be used in question tag. Third is statement with be form of verbs will have the same be form of verbs in a question tag. Example, she is a fool. Isn't she? Is the be form of verb and isn't is the be form of verb in the question tag. Next is fourth rule is statement with main verb alone will have the question tag with its do form of verb. Example, he speaks in English. Doesn't he? The do form of verb is speak and the question tag do form of verb is doesn't. The fifth rule is if am comes as a verb in positive statement, the question tag is aren't I. Now, for example, I am an engineer. Aren't I? Am comes to the statement and aren't I is the question tag. Sixth rule is if have form of verb come in the statement produce the meaning of the possession, the question tag comes with the have form of verb. Example, I have a car. Haven't I? She has a scooty. Hasn't she? In the statement, has is the have form of verb. Therefore, we use have form of verb in the question tag, giving the subject the possession of ownership. Note, but it doesn't give the meaning of the possession. The question tag comes with do, does, and did. Example, I have breakfast in 9 a.m. Don't I? We had an examination yesterday, didn't we? The statement remains in have form of verb but doesn't give the meaning of the possession. Then we use do form of verb in a question tag. Next is singular subject, someone, somebody, everyone, anyone, no one, neither, and nobody. Comes in a sentence the question tag comes in plural form, they. Example. Everybody comes to the classroom. Don't they? Nobody vote against him. Did they? Everybody is a singular form of verb. Then the question tag is singular too. Nobody is a singular form. Then in the question tag, they is a singular form. Eighth rule is there comes as a subject of the statement, the question tag will also get same subject. Example. There is a lot of people at the end. Is it there? There comes in the statement, also the question tag. Now let's go to some special cases. Statement and question tag. In a statement, let's. In a question tag, shall we? Simple request, will you, for both positive and negative statement. Warning, reminds, and wishes. Positive statement is equal to won't you. Negative statement, won't you. The word only comes in a sentence means use positive and negative. Positive, negative, tag won't come. Some of the positive noun and noun of the positive noun and none of the positive noun, tag will come according to the noun. Now, let's talk about the special cases. Statement and subject, question tag and subject. Proper noun, personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they are same with a personal pronoun and a question tag. Someone, somebody, everyone, there, this, that, this, those. In a question tag, they, their, it, or they. Verb statement, verb in question tag, is, are, was, were, are the same in the question tag. In a verb statement, in a question tag is are. Am not, in a question tag, am. Verb plus s, verb plus es, verb plus ed comes in a question tag, do, does, did. Have comes in the statement meaning the possession. In a question tag, have, has. Have in the statement comes in question tag, do, does, did. Will, shall, can are the same in a question tag. Should, may will come in a question tag, will not. Before the discussion ends, here are some questions we answered. What is the use of question tag? Number 2, how can it help us? Number 3, what is the purpose of a question tag? Okay, if you view this video, kindly like the link below and answer the question.